Next, we're going to click on Field Output Requests. You see two items over here, Field Output Request and History Output Request. Now this can be a little confusing for beginners, so let me explain what the difference between these two is. A Field Output Request is basically the set of data that Abaqus should gather from all parts of your model, or all parts of your part file. Let's say you want to know the stress distribution over the entire part. So every X number of steps, or maybe every time step, Abaqus is going to record the stress at every point, at every node in this model and store it in your output file. So basically a field output request applies to a very large region or to the entire part. Also, Abaqus doesn't store this data very frequently because otherwise your output would get very large. So field outputs are variables that have been stored over large regions at not too frequent intervals in the simulation. History output, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. Let's say you want to know the displacement of this little node up here over the time of the simulation. You would use a history output request for that. Basically, history output requests focus on very tiny regions, and Abaqus stores that data with a higher frequency. So you might be interested in seeing exactly how this point moves as a load is applied on the barbell stand. So it's basically a difference in thinking, a different approach. The field output requests sort of gather information on the entire part at not so frequent intervals, whereas a history output request focus in or zero in on one tiny little point or part and record the information a lot more frequently. So maybe later you can plot displacement versus time or something like that. We're gonna go ahead and expand out the field output requests. You see Abaqus by default creates a field output request, and you can right click on that, delete it, and then create a new one by double clicking on field output requests, and you see it's calling it foutput2. Or we could just modify the one that's already there by right clicking on it and saying edit. And by default, Abaqus selects a few variables that it thinks are useful in all simulations. So you see you've got pre-selected defaults selected over here. Whereas if you wanted to select your own set of variables, you'd click on select from list below and then choose the ones you want. The pre-selected defaults are a few key ones like stresses and displacements, which is what we're going to use when we look at the deformed shape of the object once we've run the analysis. And there's a host of others. You could go through this. They've got very descriptive names, so you can check off the ones you need. In addition, for the domain, it's been set to the whole domain, which is pretty good for a field output. Usually in a history output, you might be going for a set, but in field outputs, I like to go with the whole model, just because it gives me all the information I need for post-processing later. In terms of frequency, it's been set to every n increments, so at every increment in your analysis, Abaqus is going to store this information in the output file. You could tell it to just store it at the last increment, or at evenly spaced time intervals, or from time points, which you would define over here in the time points mode or module. But we're not going to do that in this simulation. We're going to leave it at every n increments. And keep in mind, some of these options, such as every x units of time, are more applicable to an explicit analysis, not a static or standard analysis. So Abaqus may not allow you to select some of these, even if you tried. We're going to go ahead and click on OK. And so we've got our field outputs defined. As for history outputs, it's a similar procedure. I'm going to open it up, and you see it's got a few pre-selected defaults. And you can change those if you want. And you can change the domain, you can change the frequency. We're just going to leave it as it is for now, for this simulation. And click on OK.